I'm Matt. I'm one of the two co-founders of Alto.
I'm Jamie, I'm the other co-founder of Alto. Since Alto's founding in 2015, we've been obsessed with our mission, which is to fulfill medicine's true purpose, to improve quality of life for everyone who needs it. We do that by living out our values every single day. Our values help guide our decisions, both big and small. They also ensure that we continue to grow together with a shared understanding of what's important. Recently, we've updated our values. While many remain the same, we're introducing some new values that reflect where our company is today and where we'll be in the future.
Patients come first. We have many valued customers, but we always start with the patient and work backwards from their needs. That keeps us true to our core obsession, to create a healthcare company that cares about helping people above all else. We asked ourselves the question when we started, what if we got a big group of employees whose goal every day would be to ask themselves the question, what's the right thing to do for our patients, and try to do that. And we don't always get it right, but it's an ideal that we've held each other accountable to and ourselves accountable to. And it still drives what we do every day.
Ownership. We remain resolute to our commitments, spend money and other resources as if they were our own, and take responsibility for our decisions, performance, and teams. Leadership importance is not measured by headcount or budget size. Everyone at Alto is encouraged to think like an owner, regardless of their title. We're always there to support each other, but we trust our colleagues to be responsible and accountable for their actions, work product, and team. Trusting each other allows us to focus on our goals, patients, and partners. Seek to understand. We demonstrate humility by assessing the status quo, inviting opinions of others, disproving our assumptions, and exposing our biases. We seek out and listen intently to the perspectives of fellow Altoids and customers. We chase learning relentlessly, and we celebrate our shared successes. Altoids are some of the smartest people you'll meet, but we know that in order to be the best pharmacy and to provide the best patient experience, we must continue to learn and evolve. That's why we collaborate across teams and invite differing opinions and perspectives. We're also obsessed with patient feedback. It allows us to make actionable changes and provide an even greater level of service to our patients.
Communicate with candor. We speak our minds, openly debate and disagree, expose the truth, and invite feedback from others, especially when it's uncomfortable to do so or reveals things that would rather be hidden. Communicating with candor is critical for any business and really any team if you want to be successful. By being honest, we can hold ourselves accountable and improve, even though sometimes it's not very comfortable to do that. We're committed to transparency at all levels, so we have different ways for employees to provide really straightforward, honest feedback to the leadership team and each other.
Sprint through two-way doors. We bias for action and move quickly when decisions are reversible. Apply learnings as we go and race towards the ideal state over time. We rigorously assess one-way door decisions and proceed carefully only with the necessary mechanisms in place to monitor and manage the risk. Two-way doors are decisions that are reversible. They empower us to take swift action, and we're confident that we can always adjust if needed. At the same time, we are intentional with one-way doors, which are decisions that are not reversible. For these, we take the appropriate time and steps to ensure that we're making the right decision for our patients, employees, partners, and the company.
Go to N=1. We rely on data to guide us while recognizing that important insights lie hidden in the details. We move with agility between the big picture and small details to reveal what matters most and inform next steps. Go to N=1 goes hand in hand with our value of seeking to understand. At Alto, every patient and every order is important, and no issue is too big or too small for us to tackle. We dive deep to understand issues at their core and apply lessons learned on a large scale.
Think 10x. We find innovative ways to solve existing and future patient needs with solutions that only seem obvious after the fact. Our innovations are expected to scale and sustain success today and in the future. There are two key parts to this value: innovation and scaling. Disruption requires thought leadership. We need to continue to unlock improved outcomes on behalf of patients. Scaling Our patients only benefit from those ideas if they can solve in scale at the right cost. So every idea, product, process, and system needs to be built so that it scales with Alto's future growth.
Chip away at it. We make history day by day, patient by patient. With small intentional progress, we can accomplish extraordinary feats. We set big goals for ourselves, but we're not daunted by them. That's because we know that in order to achieve big change, we have to make small improvements every day. We're energized by big goals, and we do the daily work needed to ensure long-term success.
Always raise the bar. We set ambitious goals and hold ourselves to audacious standards. We deliver solutions that go beyond viable to lovable. We've come a long way since our founding, and we love to acknowledge and celebrate the team's wins along the way. Still, we always seek ways to evolve and improve to be the best company that we can be, and we set our goals accordingly.
Dance in the storm. Pioneering invigorates us. Challenges and failures inform next steps rather than overshadowing the joy of the journey. Pharmacy is a complex industry. We're building something that's never been done before. That comes with its challenges and moments of difficulty. It's crucial that we remind ourselves in those moments of difficulty to bring levity, laughter, and appreciation to work every day.